porcupine caribou herd is one of the largest caribou herds in the world. For over 35 years, the board has brought together governments and community members, along with stakeholders, the public, and researchers to ensure conservation of the herd and the subsistence of the First Nation and Inuvialuit communities who rely on it. The work of the Porcupine Caribou Management Board is to support the sustainable, coordinated management of the porcupine caribou herd so that the herd can thrive for generations to come.